Hello. I'm with you again from Mass Clinic International, and I want to handle a topic which says, is mathematics a simple subject or mathematics is a difficult subject? Now, some students have argued on this several times. Now, at Mass Clinic International, we don't agree with you that mathematics is a difficult subject. The reason is because at Mass Clinic International, we have developed different kind of unconventional methods of teaching mathematics in such a way that those students who believed before, who said mathematics was hard or difficult, have come to agree with us that mathematics is the simplest subject anybody can study at the secondary school level. Now, the reason is that we have discovered that any student who can make decision in literature, in English language, or a government, in economics, or in any subject can easily and cheaply make decision in mathematics. Now, you know something? One of the methods we have used to achieve so much result at Mass Clinic International among students is that if we are told to handle students and the science students are put in one class and the art students are put in another class. Now, for the science students, we use scientific language. We use the language they understand for them. Why? For the art students, because of the kind of subject they do. Now we use drama, we use entertainment, we use music, we use the language of arts, the language of entertainment to pass the knowledge across to them, such a way that both the science students and the art students score distinction in mathematics. That is what we have found out. Because listen, if you're a teacher, listening and watching this video, I want you to know that anybody, I want to repeat, anybody can learn anything when you present that thing or the learning content to the learner in the language the learner can relate with. Do you understand? And that's exactly what we do at Mass Clinic International. Now, I want to tell you 6 reasons why mathematics is the simplest subject in the secondary school system. Number 1, it has easy and specific number of formulae. If your teacher is teaching you mathematics, and anytime he's using a formula, take note of that formula. Now, because in mathematics, for you to write maybe your final year examination, maybe junior WAEC or senior WAEC or NECO, or you are writing any external examination, international mathematics exam, listen, there are specific number of formulae in mathematics that should be inside of your brain before you go to write that exam. This formulae helps you to develop your mind and be fully prepared for the examination. Number 2 reason why mathematics is so simple to learn and to be distinction is because it has theorems. And not just theorem, but a specific number of theorems that once you master, then you can easily flow. You can easily apply them and use them to open any question given to you, and you get your result. But when those theorems are not in your brain, I remember I saw a student preparing for GCE the other day, and I saw when she opened the book, a mathematics textbook, to the page where they drew so many circles. I said, do you have exam to write? She said, yes. I said, what exam? She said, GCE. When? She said, tomorrow, Saturday. I said, okay, mathematics? She said, yes. Now, let me ask you, how many theorems do you need to master about the circle before sitting for your GCE? The student said 2 or 3. Immediately, I knew that the student was going to fail mathematics. How can you say 2 or 3 theorems about the circle? No, you need to master a minimum of 7 theorems. In fact, they go beyond that. But any student who is able to master a minimum of 7 can master the rest theorems. So I'm talking of a minimum of 7 theorems about the circle. Do you understand? Now, what about the triangle? You also have a minimum of 7 theorems about the triangle. Now, so when you master these theorems, you can easily flow. Another thing you must master to be able to see mathematics as a simple subject are the laws. Topics like indices, topics like logarithm, and so on. They have what we call the laws of logarithm, the laws of indices. Another reason why mathematics is such a simple subject at the secondary school level is because there are simple rules to follow. Okay? You don't just do what you like. You follow rules. There are rules in mathematics. Once you master those rules and you follow them, you discover you just be flowing in mathematics. Every concept, every terminology will be easy for you. So master the rules in mathematics, okay? Then, now listen to this. Number 5 reasons why mathematics is so simple to study. Why it is not a difficult subject in the secondary school system is because in most mathematics textbooks, the answer to all the questions the textbook is talking about are at the back. The solutions, they are at the back of the textbook. They are the back, the end, towards the end of the textbook, you will see the answers to the questions that are inside. So you can solve a question in mathematics, then go towards the end of the textbook and check whether you are correct. If you are not correct, if your answer is wrong, then you attack the question again, then you solve it in another method, then you check towards the end. You see, it's so easy learning mathematics. Do you use the textbooks of your class? How many textbooks do you use? Please, be a versatile student, using different kind of mathematics textbooks in studying the topic your teacher has taught you in the class. You will see how easy mathematics will become. Now, the last point I want to tell you today, why mathematics is the simplest subject to study at the secondary school level, is because mathematics language is universal. Unlike other languages, if you are in Nigeria, you have Yoruba, you have Igbos, you have Hausa language. Hausa language is not everybody that can understand the language. But on earth, mathematics is, you have to use mathematics in everything you do. Whether you're a farmer, you are a lawyer, you are a driver, you are a full housewife, whatever is your profession, mathematics is a universal language. Now, in the secondary school system, at the secondary school level, any question given to a child, to a student in Port Harcourt or in Lagos or in Akure or in Benin City or in Shagamu or somewhere in Kano or Kaduna, any question, if the same question is given, it must have the same answer. Do you see that? Mathematics is so easy to study. If I give you a question in Nigeria and I give another student the same question in United Kingdom and I give another student the same question in the United States of America, they must have the same answer. Mathematics is the same all over the world and you can't escape. You just have to learn mathematics because the language of mathematics is the same in all countries. Okay, they may use English in teaching it in UK, they may use Yoruba in teaching it in another country, they may use French in teaching it in another country, but whatever language they are using, mathematics contents, concepts, facts, figures, formulae, and theorems, they are the same everywhere. Okay, so buckle up, study mathematics, and you will discover that that subject that used to be difficult to you will become so simple to you. It was like that to me before. It was so difficult, but when I made up my mind to study mathematics, it became the easiest subject to me. It can happen to you too. So I'm going to stop here today, and If you want to hear more about the different topics we handle in mathematics, please subscribe to this program. You can also reach us by sending a WhatsApp message to +234 81 13 89 2144. Can I repeat that for you? Send a WhatsApp message to +234 81 13 89 2144. Okay, let me stop here today. Have a wonderful time.